Ever wish you could magically transform your cluttered photo backdrops into a crisp, clean white? Stay tuned, because today, we're mastering that exact trick in Lightroom 5. First things first, open your image in the Develop module. Our goal is to isolate the subject, and the best way to do that is to make everything else white. We'll start by adjusting the whites and highlights in the basic panel. Push the white slider significantly to the right, perhaps to around 80 or 90. This will start brightening up your background. Next, boost your highlights as well, maybe to 50 or 60. These two adjustments work together to turn those grays into bright whites. Even with those adjustments, you might still have some stubborn color casts or dark areas in the background. Navigate to the HSL Color BNW panel. Under the Luminance tab, pay close attention to any colors still present in your background. For instance, if you have a blue wall, drag the blue slider all the way to the right to increase its brightness. Repeat this for any other colors that contribute to the background's darkness. Remember, the goal is to make everything outside your subject as bright as possible. For any remaining dark corners or areas, the Radial filter is your best friend. Select it and draw an ellipse around your subject. Crucially, make sure to check the invert box at the bottom of the Radial filter panel. Now, anything outside your ellipse will be affected. Increase the exposure and white sliders to brighten those lingering dark spots. Finally, for fine-tuning around your subject, grab the adjustment brush, paint over any small areas of the background that still aren't perfectly white. With the brush selected, set the exposure and whites to a high value and carefully paint over the remaining background elements. Remember to adjust the brush size for precision. And just like that, you've transformed a busy backdrop into a clean, professional white canvas. Elevate your photos with this essential Lightroom technique.